Welcome investors! Today we'll be talking about energy fuel stock and 47,000 shares of this company which I bought a year ago. So stick to the end of this video because I'll show you my shares of energy fuels and we'll see how they are doing year after. But first we'll talk a little bit about what energy fuels has been doing for past year, and then I'll tell you why I didn't sell a single share yet, even with the stock going up 400% since I bought it. So if you are interested in seeing my energy fuels shares and if you are interested in uranium industry, keep watching, don't go anywhere. So after the Fukushima accident in 2011, companies mining for uranium had a very hard time because most of the countries decided to stay away as much as possible from nuclear energy. Everybody was afraid that a similar disaster could happen again. Especially hard times have smaller uranium producers, and many of them went out of business. Energy Fuels is one of the few who survived all the way until now, all those hard years. For the past year, Energy Fuels decided to go to rare earth minerals. Energy Fuels has ability in rare earth space that no other company in United States currently has. The reason for this is that they have a facility which can process and extract those rare earth minerals. What they decided to do is to ship monazites from Florida to their facilities in order to process them, which sounds like a very good idea, especially in the recent times where rare earth minerals are in such a huge demand, especially in electronics, medicine, and car industry. All those actions caused that the stock of the company skyrocket from $2 a year ago to $10.99 on November 12th. Additionally, the price of the uranium in August 2021 was $34 per pound spot price, and in September we had a jump to $42 per pound. Jump in uranium price is really hard to explain, and no one really knows why the price suddenly went up 24%. But this jump for sure contributed to increase in the share price of Energy Fuels. What is suspected is that some investment firms started buying uranium and this pushed the price up. So right now we have a decline in the share price of Energy Fuels, around 20% since November 12th. So what is the reason for this decline? Probably general pullback in the stock market. You have to remember that from March 20th, 2020 until November 12th, 2021, we had 103% increase in S&P 500 index. It is crazy run and the market needs a break. Energy Fuels is the best company position to capitalize on the future of the energy, nuclear energy, because they are the only one company licensed and process the uranium in the United States. Another point which I would like to mention here is that the company may be a target for acquisition from one of the giants in the mining industry like Vail, Newmont, or maybe even Barrick Gold, because nowadays more and more mining companies are trying to diversify their business models. Take as the example Seabine Stillwater, which started as a gold mining company, then moved to platinum metal group mining, And then recently they decided to branch out to the batteries business. So the same situation may happen to energy fuels. If one of the executives from the big mining companies sees that the uranium and rare earth metals have the bright future. So going to rare earth minerals and rising prices of uranium have caused the price of energy fuels to go up to $11.39 per share. But for past 2 weeks, like I said, we have declined around 23%, which is related to, like I said, to general market pullback. And now I give you the reason why I didn't sell any single share of energy fuels yet. I'm waiting for the time when the world realized that uranium is the future source of energy for planet Earth. This recent rally now I called kind of micro rally because it is made by some moves in the market and by some investment firms buying the uranium of the market, which pushed up the price of the energy fuels as well. What I'm waiting for is the real demand for uranium coming from existing and new power plants. This demand will push the prices of uranium to the level from 2007, when the spot price for uranium was $135 per pound and the long-term price was $95 per pound. Or the price may even go higher than 14 years ago. Uranium is the most efficient and the most effective way of creating energy. There is no such a thing as clean energy. There will always be side effects when extracting energy from any source and believing that we can supply all our energy needs for the world from solar, wind, or hydrogen energy is just an illusion. So right now, let's take a look at my account so you can see how my shares of energy fuels are doing after the year. Energy fuel shares, they are right here, 47,000 shares. I invested total $79,317.22, and as of right now, which is December 4th, they are worth $376,000, which is not bad. Total return is 375%, and there are the details when I started buying them. I started buying last year in July 28th, all the way through November 2nd. That was the last day when I was buying the shares of energy fuels. So it's been I would say year and a year and couple days, a couple more days than a year. But at some point, this number here was close to 500,000 around 2 weeks ago, and then the shares dropped. But this is not a concern to me. Like I said earlier, I'm not waiting for the quick micro rally which we had right now. I'm waiting for the time when nuclear energy is going to be used all over the world as a realization of the best source of planet of Earth. So that's why I'm not even worried about this number being decreased for around $200,000 because I have a deep belief that this is not the time yet. You might disagree with me. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. like always, remember to explain your opinion when you write your comment, because I'm here to have fun. I'm here to learn, and I'm here to open my mind for new possibilities. And if somehow this what I'm doing can help you, this is great pleasure to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. If you like this video, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another new video coming in. Also share this video on social media. Help me to spread the word about very simple investing. Thank you again. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.